Laitkam byllai multiple job vacancies kijing pentip Laitkam kumba katwai na kat artli la bolang hakanika video ka ba menta ki don ki kam la pentip Trayam Shillong na ta ka Frankmotors Shillong dan ka Bhavani marketing the greatest solutions dan PHE West Hill district Jowai dan ta ka dan sakana kijing pentip Laitkam medical officers da hapo east da ka DMHO East Castle district ipat kena ka way and way pat kena pa kong ka dai wala pentep da ka executive engineer PHE water supply division West Hill district Jowai kada ka walk interview ha ka sidrik bnai yayong arajar ar phonrio ki post ki long kina harom banai kong jal shakti fellow ka way ka post lai pho hajar ka jiksi pendap puli BTech MTech civil engineering but arsnam experience the ISA coordinator away coaching Steve Arpo Hajar pendap master in social science mass communication rural management preferably with experience in IEC sector and on the field of knowledge management in government sponsored programs. Sakabalais capacity building and training coordinator Arpo Hajar coaching Steve master social science mass communication rural management preferably with experience in IEC sector or in the field of knowledge management in government sponsored programs. Sakawai IEC coordinator Arpo Hajar kaching seal kita ki line pula kita master social science mass communication but on experience in IEC sector. Te tangki eligible candidates atau ande ki badan qualification badan kam kin wansin mata haka interview. Tek badan kam ban wansin mata. Te kanam dan kaching seal ti ADA bat kita ki bawan sementa ki penbiang ki application form dan ki original copy bat ki photocopy ro ban pensisa ya ki qualification bat ya ki birth certificate bat ki we bat ada kas starikha bat ki we tinga bat sakana ka we kaching pentep na ka district medical health officer East Castle district na benta santali ki post medical officer kane ka contractual basis na benta khatwai banai na ka banda jing padri kam ya ka ne ka thong ka ta National Health Mission NHM East Castle district ha kata ka district health society ta kita berpendak jempule MBBS na kino ki medical institution la itho da National Medical Council but bala register ilade bat ka MCI la ne NMC la ne bat ka State Medical Council kildap ai to Google Form link ngen sa bo yan ka link jong ne Google Form link ha po description krang pansok namar ka de ka chepentep ka kham kamlasai bah kumbang yolum dengan saya le ban thok itu Google ya itu Google Form link bat ngin sa bo po description ta kita beran yakine ki sa pendap ya kating tap chongpi kata halane suwa ka sau baje janmi chong ka arpho tarik gulber arja flip ka tarik do ba pendap nang ba ka Google Form link taki ong ban ai preference ki pada kita badai local candidates kamor kita badai nang Shillong ha ka Kishnong kitau jong ka East Castle district tang nang ta ya ka haporo pendap ya ka PDF chongpi kan ma ban penkala kerteng da ka kerteng bada ka kerteng chongpi kerteng ban kong kerteng bakhado mat ka chinghe jong ka PDF chongpi kamdai dan palat ya ka CMB tanang ta hakapor interview sama ra ki kot ki sla bran kam ki CV bat ki kot ki sla bran kam te sakane ka jing pentep na ka Shillong Times na bentaki post artli hene ka way the assistant for administrative and operational support on to Sunday Shillong nanta sa bay ka ba page layout designer for Sunday Shillong kana ka dai na ka benta ka Shillong Times pa penya ki don tuk benta jong ka Shillong Times ha ka singi utrai singi Sunday te ko abat ki don kam yakin nang tre ta ka to ba ai proficiency in design and page maker man apply pha phak CV chong pi resume chong pi sha ka to careers with st@gmail.com kata halaneshwa ka arpusan tarik bnai leber hajar phonri te kene ka jing pentep nak Shillong Times tengah pet sa kana jing pentep na Greta solutions ka patho ni dan kam banthong ya ki trainers hakine ki line training ba pher min sepat kini line training ta ong kita bala don ya kata jing pule degree diploma hakito ki relevant background but kiba kloiro kat baran kam ban trainer seki jaka ba pher jong kane ka training Greta solutions kane ka training center tanang ta ka jaka trai de hapo East Castle ka food ba accommodation sa penbiang ka kam ka dai contractual ta kitu ki jaga training phap le gitu mason but plumber pha ekar sumai jong phi recruitment meghalaya@gmail.com sakajik pentep naka Frankmotors ikot application naga benta kini ki post haron sales manager team leader customer advisor nang ta digital sales ta kitu ba pendap jing pulai class 12 chajrong kila bandai ki freshers lan ki experience tu kila banta pha cv jong phi sya kato email hr@frankmotors.shillong.com nani how to number phone nyong reply pra khandai not san khandai pra de kini kide ki jing kanai de jing ki kam bala pentep da Frankmotors Shillong tipat sakanai ka wai ka kam bala pentep da apex ventures nak banta ka ki kam artli architect kalaj artli antara junior architect kalaj artli kita berpendap bachelor's degree in architecture with a minimum of 1 year experience na banta architect but na ka banta junior architect berpendap diploma in architecture but amdonai ka arsenal experience bagi la mantap mantap ya pha ya ka cv jongpi but cover letter sa apex ventures ind@gmail.com tik ai lai to phone number ba pin port kan dan yo sao lai san pra but prai wei lai are not wei pra lai not kane ka apex ventures ka dan ha first floor marwin building step by step school behind step by step school baran ha barrack the second ka jeng pentep naka East Point group of institution kabaran hapok Guwahati kidan kami kini ki post senior academic counselor ba pendap graduate badan experience career counseling in educational institute tab advisor career development minimum graduate with prior experience career counseling student development activities in educational institutions tapi laban pak cv jongpi sakato kito email betul nomor nyo not khandai way nyo pra khandai bat hatoki email me@eastpoint.ac.in Tasakane ka jeng pentep na ka bahawani marketing nam taki post palaj hapok Guwahati bat nagalan kan project development specialist hospitality trainer nata soft skill trainer center manager quality head taki to ladan jempat tai nam taki post perapek dan qualification bagi experience balakmi lanti naka benta kito ki ba wa bantam taki to badan itu ki qualification bat kito experience kum balakmi lanti nam taki ki post kum balkrau kila ban pha ya ka cv jongpi sya kato ke email info@bhavanimarketing.co.in nane how to number nyau not khandai number bala ai kanang ta sang ke jing pentep require a full time accountant with advanced tally excel cost accounting skills ka jing siu arpo hajar ki badan chief house nem experience dapat phun ro hau sakhandai saw line ri nyau unriu lai saw sa Tasangan ejeng pentep naka Bethany Society like Mkhra Shillong. Ka Bethany Society like Mkhra Shillong ka code application nam ta ka wake up post coordinator na ka benta ka education program. Ta kita ba pendap graduate bakin khamjit itu balan na register bakin khamjit kita ba pendap ya ki kabiat. Tarik kado ban pha ya ka resume ka dai are arphau tarik ubnai le bayar arja pan riu sakato ka email jssie.notpra@gmail.com nane Pilaban like me support ka Bethany Society like kha man submit ki form ro the second ek way ka jing petep na ka Triumph Shillong ka badan po Kiting Road a code application na banta itu ki dynamic but responsible sales manager ikam sales manager badan good communication skills interpersonal skills but belong passionate hak ba nya bait but badan hak kita experience hak ikam sales takila bantap Takito kibar long qualified jalade but badan tag computer knowledge kila ban pha ek resume jongki sakto email hr@goenkabajaj.co.in kata tarik khado kadai arphau tarik nail bear ar hajar ar phau henri tanap da jikte bakam ne ro klaban phone hau nyau line not pra lai wai r kini kideki kam bangila bulang ha kanai ka top jong Triumph Shillong Bethany Society mat kanai kam badai ya kam full time accountant kibadan jingnang hataki advanced tally excel course accounting bat kiwe tangnya pat sakane ka top bakado tangkawai ka kam kanai bala pet daka SLJ in Frankon P Limited dealer of HD badai taki HD Hyundai Construction equipment India P Limited kadon kam kerki ya ki kam ya ka ki post sales executive kajing siu arpojar do arpojar kan sadan ro saka incentive ta kita bakwa ban tap ken pha resume jong ki sha katuka email shillong250@gmail.com te kini ka de jepentip Laitkam ba pair ba mengiyo ban pentip sapi barot iki ba pait baro khublai shibun ya pi baro ki ba pait